sun is falling,
We are now here
painting
at
skies of gold.
Baksa.
The evening breeze is
You can see the
gentle,
evening view.
never cold.
This is the
The road is calling,
Adalbari.
winding through the trees.
No, Adalbari shop, not Alokdama.
I drive along, carried by the breeze. The windows open, music softly plays.
This is Kolakuru Vishnu Rabha.
The world feels beautiful in sunset rays.
Adalbari shop.
No destination, nothing I must find. Just me and this road,
Development of the shop.
leaving cares behind. Oh, what a lovely drive tonight. Underneath the fading light, golden clouds and open skies. Dreams are dancing in my eyes. Let the road go on and on, till the evening turns to dawn. With every mile my heart feels free. This lovely drive is all I need. Village lights are slowly coming alive.
Shop.
Along the quiet roads I gently drive. Fields are glowing in the evening sun.
Urbanization.
Another beautiful day is almost done.
Urbanization area.
The distant hills are dressed in purple blue. The sky is wide, the air feels fresh and new. A little smile is all I need to know. Life is a journey, let the moments flow. What a lovely drive tonight, underneath the fading light, golden clouds and open skies. Dreams are dancing in my eyes. Let the road go on and on, till the evening turns to dawn. With every mile my heart feels free. This lovely drive is all I need. No hurry, no worry, no place to be. Just endless roads and a heart that's free. The evening whispers keep moving ahead, with beautiful memories waiting to be
Here
made.
this is the roadside.
Oh, what a lovely drive tonight. Chasing shadows, chasing light. Moon above and stars so bright, guiding me through the peaceful night. Let this journey never end. Let the open road be my friend. With every mile I feel alive in this beautiful evening drive. The road goes on beneath the sky. The evening fades, but dreams still fly. With music playing, heart at ease, I drive into the night.